am Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I like to create crafting connections one card at a time. Today's video is going to be using the Mischievous Mice. This is a host stamp set. So what does that mean? When you spend $150 US or more, you get 10% of what you've spent in Stampin' Rewards. You can use your rewards to purchase this host set, and he's just adorable. I'm also going to be using the Sunshine and Rainbows Designer Series paper that you get for free with every $50 that you spend between February and March of 2020. So let's get to making a card. Sit back, relax, listen to the music. You have it, a cute little birthday card to send off to somebody. I decorated the inside with the sentiment. I stamped the envelope, but I failed to clean off from the last time. But you know what? I think I'm going to keep it because then I can put my return address there. It's still cute. Maybe I'll go back with the marker. That's what I'll do. Let's go back with the marker. And purposely redraw it. If this were my Stamparatus, it would be easy to put it back in. But since I didn't, I am not going to chance it. All right, there you go. A quick and easy card using the Designer Series paper, colored in using the alcohol blends. Stamp the inside, stamp the envelope, do a better job stamping the envelope. Well, thank you so much. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate your support. We'll see you next time. Bye.